Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm gonna show you what is and how to use red and green cards. This video is also available in Spanish. Okay, this is a tool of understanding an agreement. It got the following characteristics. It is a tool that allows you to manage opinions in large groups. This resource works when each person in the group is given a card, one red and one green. When someone makes a proposal or explains something, the rest of the team will raise their green card if they agree or understood what it was saying, or red if they do not agree or have something to clarify. With this technique, you can add more cards of different colors to express, for example, neutral position or another position that is chosen, for example, the yellow card. This resource is used in the empathy or tasting stage in a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology or any other agile methodology. Okay, so red and green cards are a very simple tool, but it's very helpful, especially when you are working with a lot of people and you want to have a clear and precise opinion or answer about something. So the first thing that you need to know is what I want to know. So you can be testing a product, you can be testing a service, you can be testing something in particular, or also you can be asking, if you are in the empathy stage, something very specific that you want to know. I recommend that you use this tool if the group is bigger than 15 people. Otherwise, I do not recommend to use this tool because it's not necessary. I mean, if you are reunited with 4 people, it's better if you talk straight with them and you ask straightforward. But if you are with a big group, it's better to use this tool. It's something very important that if you decide to use it is because it's a lot of people, so you need to have a specific place that is well equipped with all the things. You have to print all the cards and have all the resources available, and of course make the question, how many questions are you going to make and how is to be the structure of that development. It's very important to have a moderator. This person is the one who will be asking the question and also that will keep the score of the answers of the people. So the task that the moderator has is to keep a score of the voting of each of the questions and also to explain everything in detail. Also to manage the session, it means when are we going to do a specific which kind of task. And of course, spread the material because sometimes you need to give products or give prototypes of something. So the moderator will take care of everything. So that is very important, this person for this kind of resource. So the first card that we got is the red card. The red card means that I'm not agree with something. It means that I'm disappointed about the result. It means that I don't understand or it's something bad. These are the four scenarios that you use the red card, depending of what the moderator is asking or what it need to know. Then we got the green card. The green card, it means that I agree with the whatever they are showing. It means that I approve. It means that I understand, and it means that it's something good. We add another card, which is the yellow card, and the yellow card show a neutral position about whatever they are showing. It means that I'm not disappointed, but I'm not also approval. It means that is perhaps is not that clear what he was saying, and sometimes more or less it means that so it means that you are not convinced of whatever they are showing. So when you are showing the neutral card or the yellow card, perhaps you need that the moderator be very clear what they are showing. At the end, when you got all, you have asked all your questions and you have all your session, the idea is that you can analyze the results and you can take decision. It means that if, for example, I'm testing something, I can say like, okay, the users are answering very positive to this, or also can be that no, this is not working, people do not like this. We need to refocus this. We need to get back to ideation. If you are using it in the empathy stage specifically, it could be good to know if you are understanding the user, if you are understanding the need, if you are understanding the situation that is happening. So the idea is that you are very clear in the empathy stage with that. Otherwise, you need to recollect more information and ask more questions. If you are using it in the testing stage, it's very important to know if people like it or not, if they will purchase it or not. Otherwise, you need to get back and ask again and rethink whatever you are developing. As a conclusion, we can say that this tool works very good with large groups when you need to know the opinion of many people very quick. Success in using this tool is in the rigor that you have to follow all the instructions that you are given it. This resource generates an unified concept for our opinion of form to fast testing. So this is very good because if you want to test something very quick with a lot of people, this is very good. Um, what I recommend is that you have a group at least of more than 15 people. This could work very well with 100, 200 people. It works very well. But if the group is very small, it's not necessary to use this. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel Design Thinking 24/7. Follow us on social media. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Um, our Udemy courses are already available in the description of this video. You can find the link. Thank you to all of you. We are the #1 design thinking and agile channel in the whole YouTube universe. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.